Hello everyone. Now in this video of EMF we'll take one problem. Now first we'll read the problem. Given the two vectors, vector A is defined as 2ax minus 5ay minus 4az, and second vector, vector B, is given as 3ax plus 5ay plus 2az. So find the dot product and the angle between the two vectors. So what we need to find the dot product, and also we need to find the angle between these two vectors. So we are find the two vectors, vector A and the vector B. So as per the dot product, the first vector A dot with the vector B. So we can say 2ax minus 5ay minus 4az. This is with the dot product with the 3ax plus 5ay plus 2az, राइट. चूँकि ये एक फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम मैं ले रहा हूँ डॉट प्रोडक्ट का, इसलिए मैं आपको ये प्रॉब्लम स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व करके दिखाता हूँ. तो फर्स्ट विल dot product the first component of vector A with the all the other component of the vector B. So this will be given as the 2 into 3. So this will be given as the ax dot ax. Next 2x multiply with the 5ay. This will be given as the plus, you can say 2 into 5, and this will be given the ax dot ay. The next one will be given as the 2 into 2, and this ax dot az, right. So in similar fashion we can apply the dot product for the second component of vector A with the all the components of the vector B. So this minus 5ay I can write plus minus 5 into, this will be given as the 3, and this will be the ay into ax. So will be the ay into ax. Next will be given as minus 5 plus minus 5 into, you can say, the plus 5. So this will be given the ay into ay. The last one will be minus 5 into, this is 2, this will be given as the ay into az, ay dot az. And the last one minus 4az, the last component of the vector A will be dot product with the all the components of the vector B. So this will be given as the plus minus 4 into, this will be the 3. So this is given the az dot ax. Next will be given the minus 4 into 5. So this will be given as the ay, sorry, this will be given as the ay into az, and the last one will be given as minus 4 into 2. This will be given as the az into az, right. So now see here, if we'll take this ax dot ax, if we'll take this ay dot ay, and last if we'll take this az dot az. इसके अलावा जो भी डॉट प्रोडक्ट होगा, चाहे वो ax डॉट ay हो, ax डॉट az हो, ay डॉट ax हो, ay डॉट az हो, az डॉट ax हो, या ay डॉट az हो, this all will be equal to 0 as per the properties of the dot product. ये मैंने पहले ही आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. So here we'll get the final answer of the dot product will be given as the 6. Here 3 into 2 is 6. Then minus 5 into 5, this will be given the minus 25, and minus 4 into 2 will be given as the minus 8. So this become how much? So this become the minus of 27. So the dot product, you can say the dot product A with the dot product vector B will be given as the minus of 27. So this is the answer of the dot product. Also, if we are very clear about the concepts of the dot product, then we can say that if the dot product value is coming negative, then whatever the angle we need to find in this problem, definitely that will be more than the 90 degree. So now I'll find this one. So as per the dot product standard format, I'll write here A dot B is equal to what? Mod of A dot with the mod of B. This is given as the cos of theta, and this is the angle between the A and B. So I can define this cos of theta between A and B will be given as the dot product of vector A with the vector B to the mod of A to the mod of B. So ये तो हमने निकाल लिया डॉट प्रोडक्ट, हमें निकालना है मॉड ए और मॉड बी. तो मॉड ए की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? मॉड ए विल बी गिवन इज ए वेक्टर इज डिफाइन है यहाँ पास, ये कितना हो जाएगा? नाउ दिस विल बी डिफाइन एज 2 स्क्वायर प्लस minus 5 square, this become the minus of 4 square, minus of 4. This become how much? This become 25 and this become 41 and 45. So this become the under root of 45. Similarly we can find the mod of b. So this will be given as mod of b, we can find from the vector b. So this will be given as the 3 square plus this will be given the 5 square, this is given the 2 square. So this will be how much? So this will be 25 plus 4 is 29 and 29 is 9 is 38. So this become the under root 38, right? So now if we'll put the value in this equation, then we can find the angle cos of theta, I should do, right? Cos of theta AB will be given as, this become the under root of, sorry, here we need to put the values of vector A and vector B dot product values. So here I'll do one thing, I'll directly find the angle theta AB which I need to find. This will be given as the cos inverse. So I'll put the value dot A dot B. This is how much? This is the minus of 27. This is the minus of 27. I can put into the bracket, and mod A is how much? Mod A is under root of 45 and mod B is how much? Is under root of 35. So when you will resolve this thing, so you will get the theta value which is coming the 130.76 degree. So this is the answer of the second part of the question, the angle between the two vectors. Okay, so this is the very basic problem on the topic of the dot product. Thank you.